What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Today we're going to be doing something a little different on the Can-Am Ryker, just to, I don't know, enhance your visibility and the people who see you coming. Okay, so today we're going to install floodlights. We got an Amazon brand that I thought would be the perfect fit. Told the customer to pick that one up. So it's this one right here, and I will try to put a link in there below. It's the 6AT Cool Light series. This is what it looks like. And what's cool about it is all mounting hardware and instructions come with it. It's a real easy setup, so we're going to go through it, make this a quick video so you can do this yourself. You can box this bad boy. It also comes with a little adjustment screw underneath, so we could tilt them and angle them the right way, because we are mounting these on the A-arm. I don't know, the quality seems pretty good. Aluminum construction. I mean, they look pretty good. A lot of adjustments, and it comes with all the mounting hardware, so that's why I like it a lot. So it's going to be mounted like right here. So first we're going to make a little adjustment on the we're going to make a little adjustment on this screw so we get it to tilt the right angle. So I think I'm going to put it like right here. And it seems like it's going to be slightly tilting in, so I'm going to turn it this way. I gotta loosen up both of them a little bit. Let me turn it a little. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it's going to be a little too far. Turn it back a little bit, like that. It seems to be good. Tighten this back up. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. The bolts, which is great. So let's go like that. And then I believe we're going to be bolting through the bottom. So you get all the hardware and the Allen key. And bolting from the bottom is probably the easiest way to do it. This is aluminum, so it will strip if you don't line up those bolts correctly. So I'm trying to catch it first. Now that I caught it, start with the second one. So I catch that. Want to bolt them on evenly. Alright, bolted on nice and tight. Of course, we'll be running the wires through the battery, and we'll be zip tying, but I'm going to show you how to hardwire it. So this way you'll have full instructions on how to do it. Hopefully I got some battery screws, so I don't have to attach it to this, because this is pretty full. So I got to check to see if I have. If not, it doesn't matter. I can always pick those up later. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the other side now. So I'm not going to go through this whole process again and watch it. It's going to be installed just like that one. And remember, we're going to make a little adjustment on the tilt. And then the most important thing is to show you how to wire it. So we're going to do black connected to black. Give ourselves some room. Right? Wire cutters are your best friend. Okay, that didn't work out too well. Alright, I'll be cutting some of that off. All good. So we want to hook the black to black, but also we are going to have a, I'm going to take some time off some wire, rubber filter off of that. Also, we're going to make one that hooks directly to the battery too. So let's do these black wires first, because what we hook here is going to run to the switch, because this came with a switch. So I'm just going to trim and wire everything up together. This way, before I tape and seal everything up, I'm going to just show you what I mean. So the black, so you're going to have 3 black wires. 1, 2, 3. You want all of these to, I'm going to put all these together with shrink wrap. Dropped it. Okay. Stuck myself with that copper. And there's all different types of ways to do it. They have all types of tools. You know, it's whatever your preference, whatever you got. It is what it is. But like I said, this will all get shrinked up. So what's going to happen is, then this side is going to be connected to the battery. This is going to go up to the switch. So the red is going to connect to the switch. So just open it up a little bit. We'll be connecting the 2 reds together, but the reds are going to be connected also to a switch. That's how you're going to get your on and off power. So I'm going to show you what the switch looks like and how it's going to get twisted up with this. Okay, just let me get a couple of more things and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is going to be a negative terminal. So here we go. This is the 2 blacks that are connected, each light. I made this to put on your negative terminal. Okay, so now where's my switch? Okay, so I can give you a description. I gotta wait till the train goes. Thank you. So here's the key. This blue wire is going to connect to these 2 red. This is your switch, right? And this red wire is going to be extended to your positive. You got it? Can't get it wrong. Black, black, and a wire to your negative terminal. Red, red, blue, and then red to positive. Show you what it looks like. I don't have a long blue wire, so I'm going to attach a long black wire to it. This red is going to be positive. All right, let me start wiring some more things up, and then I'm going to show you how it looks again. All right, just to show you again, this blue wire is going to attach to the 2 red wires that come out of the lights. This red wire is going to attach directly to the battery. What I'm hooking up now is the switch. So I ran it all the way up. I'm going to pull it out, hook up the switch. I'm going to show you how to do that. But I put the switch on the right hand side because he already has a switch on the left hand side for a heated hand grips. So just to review, this blue wire attaches to the 2 red wires. I had to use another red wire to extend it because I don't have blue wire. And this one, red, is going to go directly to the battery. Okay, let's check these lights out and see what they do. Those are on. Those are on. Low. Strobe. Off. On. Here's the switch. I'm going to hook it up. Just to let you know, I ran everything under here, under the panel, all the way down to the engine compartment. I'm going to zip tie everything. Screw the switch up, and we are done installing Amazon floodlights on a Can-Am Ryker. Hope you guys all enjoyed this. I will see you on the next one. More content to come and new things to come. Ride safe, everybody. Ride safe.